How to use Pinterest offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Pinterest offline. Pinterest does not have an official feature to use the app or website entirely offline. However, you could use several workarounds to save content for offline viewing through your full feed will be not, though your full feed will not be available. Now what you could do is actually on the Pinterest app, you could tap the pin to view it in the full screen, or tap on the three dot icon or the menu in the corner to select the download image. So what you need to do is open up the image, select the three dot icon underneath, click on download image. Now you could do the same thing for rest of the image so that you could watch it offline. And other than that, there is no way you could go ahead and use Pinterest offline, as it only runs or it's only available when you use or when you're connected to an internet service. So you have to understand that. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.